Welcome back to another FJ's Physics. Do this at home. What we're going to make today is an anti-gravity apple. Well, I'm sure you all know that the apple is the quintessential symbol of physics after Isaac Newton and his work on gravity. But can we surprise him by making an apple defy gravity today? So you need some pretty simple things for this experiment. You need a long piece of dowel, a long-handled wooden spoon from the kitchen will work. You need an apple, and you need a hammer or just a chunk of wood that you can use as a hammer. So the first thing you need to do is a little bit messy, but you need to get the apple onto the dowel. So go easy with your hands when you do this, and you might want to just push down on the table. There we go. And the apple's gone through onto the wooden spoon. So we're going to do two experiments, and the first one involves pushing the apple all the way to the top of the wooden spoon, and what we're going to do is we're going to bang it on the desk. Okay, so we've got the apple impaled on the wooden spoon, we've got it at the top, so all you need to do is just bang it a few times on your piece of wood, preferably not on the best table in your house. And I think most of you will be unsurprised by what happened there. The apple worked its way down the piece of dowel or down the wooden spoon. But what we're going to do next, I think, will surprise you. So now you've got the apple at the bottom of the piece of dowel or bottom of the wooden spoon. Take the piece of wood and hammer the top of the spoon. Sure, my spoon's fallen apart a bit, but look, the apple's actually gone uphill. It's climbed all the way back up the dowel. So that's an anti-gravity apple. So Mr. Newton would be surprised, or would he? Well, quick explanation. Heavy things have mass and they don't like to move. They don't like to change what they're doing. They have inertia. So if the apple's moving and I try and stop it, it sort of tries to keep moving. But it has the same property if it's stationary. So if I keep it there and it's stationary and I try to move it, it sort of tries to stay where it is. And what you see is it climbing up the piece of dowel. So, I hope you enjoyed the anti-gravity apple. I'll be doing another experiment soon, and I look forward to seeing you then.